When I first started macrameing, I did not have these tools. And now that I've been macrameing for a while, I think they're actually totally indispensable. So let me tell you what they are. When you first start macrameing, you hang your piece off anything you can to do your project. It could be the back of a chair, a hook on the back of the door. For one project, I even used an upside down bar stool and it worked perfect. But then I invested in the adjustable height clothing rack, and it's a game changer. The one I purchased was super inexpensive. I bought it on Amazon, the link is below, and it's worth its weight in gold. When you're macrameing, if you want to sit down, you can lower the rack. If your piece is getting longer, you can lift the rack up so you're at that right length when you're doing your knotting. It just makes it so much more comfortable. It's a game changer. The next one is knot scissors. Your scissors are amazing, you use them all the time, but if you want to step up your clean edges to that next level, invest in a rotary cutter. Again, there's a link to the one I used below. It's really great for small projects like earrings when you want really straight lines, and you can line them up on your little cutting mat and just get them perfect. And up to medium-sized wall hangings if you have a large enough cutting mat. It's just when you want those nice clean edges, the rotary cutter is the easiest way to do it. Last but not least, the needle nose pliers, also known as forceps. These are so great when you have cords that you need to tuck in behind and you're pulling them through knots. You can get that needle nose into a narrow space, grab onto your piece, and then pull it through. So much easier than using your fingers, so much easier than using a crochet hook. Again, it just makes life easier. I've said that a few times, but when things are easier, it's just more enjoyable, and we want to enjoy our macrameing. So those are my 3 tips: the adjustable clothing rack, the rotary cutter, and the needle nose pliers.